Hi guys! 11:40 PM na! Iwaw feng shui na! Brethren, family and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat, ang inyo pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyo pong feng shui, Chimen Yijing and Date Selection Consultant. Kumusta po kayo? How was your week? And tomorrow, Sunday, don't forget your daily obligation. So again, the purpose of this sharing is to add for advance info for tomorrow, what to do, what not to do, and of course the expectation, and of course the manifestation backing how you align yourself with the universal energies po. And I also like this episode po to address po the lucky colors, color of the year, but daw iba-iba. Yes, I can feel you po. So explain natin yan a little bit later. But before that, BFF, tomorrow, December 29, few days before the new year, it's called the Fire Rabbit. Fire Rabbit enters the Balance Officer Day. Okay, the Balance Officer Day, ano pong pwedeng gawin? BFF sa Balance Officer Day. Tingnan natin. Let's see. Okay. Ay, by the way, I'd like to thank Kuyang Noble Architect, Kuyang Danfred. Thank you so much for the warm welcome. Okay, tomorrow 29, ano bang pwedeng gawin? Sabi dito, making a donation, discussion, meeting friends, pursuing studies, visit a beautician. Avoid medical procedures, contract signing, utility services, and haircut. Sunday pa naman. So, if ever you can avoid those things, daily chimen mo yan. Okay, but how about the animal signs? The animal signs, BFF, no? Just in case. Animal signs. Rat not so good. Ox is average. Tiger's very good. Rabbit is average. Dragon snake not so good. Horse very good. Goat average. Monkey not so good. Rooster average. Dog and pig very good. Okay, daily chimen natin para ma-10x natin yung outcome, BFF, no? Para we can prep up, we can align things. Okay. It says here, okay, if you want to improve your health, you're not feeling well, talikod sa southeast. If anything with finances, talikod sa south. Anything, if one of 10x being beautiful and handsome, talikod ka naman sa northwest. The game changer with absolute support is backing to north. And if you want to create opportunities, that's backing to east. Yan po, BFF. Okay, now, tingnan po natin yung pong daily chimen. Anong pong hourly chimen? Opo, just in case. No po, tingnan natin. Wow, bilis ang panahon. Okay, sabi po dito, 9 a.m. to 10:59 a.m. flying bird falling to cave, talikod sa north. 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. Green Dragon returns, the number one most auspicious structuring chimen, talikod sa northeast. Another flying bird, same time, talikod sa southwest. And another Jade Maiden watching the door, talikod naman sa west, same time. Jump pack pala to. So pwede po sa mga first timers, gamit ang compass, nakaupo ka po, and then Green Dragon ka muna, back to that, and then after that, Flying Bird, and then naman Jade Maiden. So naka-stay put ka, but you turn around po and use the compass. Opo, use the compass. Importante po to align yourself with the universe. Count from, nakaupo ka, count from 64 to 1, and then you have to let go, open up, give thanks, ask for what you want, and give it back to society. Yan po. And our exchange of energies, BFF, is to like and share. Don't forget. Okay. Now, let's discuss the lucky colors. Yes, sa Instagram po, I posted po that the lucky color is purple. Others, it will tell us lavender. So, may dark shade of violet, may light shade of violet. Okay, and then there is the color of the year. So, the lucky colors are based po from Feng Shui consultants, metaphysics consultant, and they come up with a color based on their computation. The lucky color, the color of the year naman po are based from the fashion industry or the authority po in terms of this po. So, totally different. May lucky colors, meron pong color of the year. Totally different. Okay, so huwag natin pag-usapan yung color of the year because consultants in the fashion industry, mga authority doon, they come up with those. Now, pag-usapan natin lucky colors. Okay, lucky colors po, depending on the consultant po, nag-iiba-iba po yan based on the schools that they were taught po or based on the discipline din na sila po ay nakagisnan. others, consultant or masters would pick up the best color, like it's green. Wood is number 1. So wood, for other consultants, green is number 1. Tapos yung green, dudugtungan ng light, dark, or any shade of green, that will be the lucky color. Ang iba naman po, for the balancing element or the most needed element po, let's say it's fire. So based on the fire element, that's red, pink, orange, violet. And then ititweak po yan, o violet, it may be a purple or lavender or, nag-iba-iba po eh. So, okay. Now, don't force yourself to wear the lucky colors. Okay, narinig niyo from me. If you have the color, go. If you have the colored red, Christmas, sabi po nung isa pong nag-message sa akin, they always wear red. Yeah, you go. The purple, actually, wait, kwento. 2014 po, I have a client here in Cavite, in the government. Hi, Tumaring Seni. Thanks for watching. Nagpapagawa ng bahay. Okay. That time, I was very particular with colors, with paintings, with pets, and everything. So, finishing na. So, binantayan ko po, tutok, and then, eto na. Tatanong, Norman, anong kulay ang ipintura ko dyan? Anong marirecommend mo? Nung binanggit kong violet, wow. Bilang tumahimik, para pong naramdaman ko na nalungkot po siya. And I asked her, Ma'am, ano po nangyari? Norman, alam mo, honesty, yun ang pinakaayaw kong kulay. So, yan. So now there's already a module or a lesson po taught to us years back po in terms of pet color, in terms of paintings, whatever that makes you happy, go. Let's say now I'm wearing blue. Mahilig po ako sa blue. Actually kanina po from this one down to my shoe, may blue because I love blue. Black, yes, okay din. This year nga lang po hindi ako masyado, but depende po eh. There are colors that makes you smile. There are colors na parang okay. So the purpose of wearing BFF of wearing those colors is to make you happy, comfortable, effective, courageous, everything in the yang side of life. If that certain color makes you yin, don't. Wag po. Wear the color that you like, that makes you happy, enjoy. Ganun po, you wear it. Don't stress yourself with the color. Actually po, kahit sabihin ko po, the luckiest color is purple. Well, ang hirap na po magsuot ng buong taon, naka-purple ka, di po ba? Well, you have to buy, and gastos added po na gastos yun, and yung gastos pong yan, you can invest it in another learning, online man, or seminars po. Di po ba, you can invest it somewhere else rather than, sabi ni Kuya Norman, dapat purple. So, bibili ako ng sobrang dami ng purple, iba-ibang brand, no po? Not needed. Now, BFF, I hope I answered po that lucky color, that color of the year, and how consultants po compute that po. So, kasi po ngayon, may ranking po yan eh. Wood number 1, fire number 2, 3 is water, 4 is earth, and 5 po is metal. So, those hierarchy of ranking po, those elements represents different colors. So, yun po BFF. I hope you answer. What makes you happy? Yun ang suot mo. And of course, when you're happy, miracles can be created because you're happy. You're in the yang side of life. Di po ba? The purpose of this is to make you happy, di ba, long time. And then, we prepare ourselves for sad events by doing this, the yin side of life. Kaya nga po, we always pray for one another because we'll never know if somewhere out there is in the yin side of life. Again, BFF, advance Happy New Year. Merry Christmas pa rin po, of course. Let's make everyday Christmas time. Opo. Let's enjoy things. Let's be happy. Life is short. Opo, let us continuously pray for each other, BFF. We'll never know if that person or family member or relative or a good friend or a brethren is in the yin side of life. Let us continuously pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all. And with a grateful heart, maraming po salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless, good night, and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.